Hi students and friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Ayaz. In this lesson, I will talk about the basic concepts behind redox reactions. The learning outcomes for this lesson would be define oxidation and reduction redox in terms of oxygen, hydrogen, gain, loss. Let's begin the lesson with these two pictures. On left hand side, you will see methane gas burning. And on right hand side, there is iron cage undergoing rusting. This is iron cage. Both of these processes or reactions are examples of redox reactions. We have other examples also in our daily life, which are redox reactions. So let's continue our lesson. What are redox reactions? These are the reactions in which both reduction and oxidation takes place at the same time. Let me write. These are the reactions in which both reduction and oxidation takes place at the same time. Takes place at the same time. Now, what is reduction? It is a process or reaction in which either gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen takes place. It is the process or the reaction in which either gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen take place. Now let's talk about oxidation. It is the reverse of reduction, which means it is the process or reaction in which either loss of hydrogen or gain of oxygen take place. It is the process or a reaction in which either loss of hydrogen or gain of oxygen take place. And when oxidation and reduction takes place at the same time, we say that it is a redox reaction. This is the first reaction. In this reaction, ZnO has lost oxygen to give Zn. Therefore, we can say that ZnO has undergone reduction. On the other hand, C has gained oxygen. This is C, it has gained oxygen to produce CO. Therefore, we can say that C has undergone oxidation. Zn is written in red. You see it's written in red, which indicates that it has lost oxygen, and CO is in green, indicating that it has gained oxygen. The reaction is an example of redox reaction. Let me write the statement for this reaction. ZnO is reduced to Zn because it has lost oxygen. C is oxidized to CO because it has gained oxygen. Let's do this one. In this reaction, H2S has lost hydrogen to give S. Therefore, we can say that H2S has undergone oxidation. On the other hand, Cl2 has gained hydrogen to give HCl. Therefore, we can say Cl2 has undergone reduction. Let me write. As is written in red on product side, which indicates that it has lost hydrogen, and HCl is in green, indicating that it has gained hydrogen. The reaction is also an example of redox reaction. Let me write the statement for this reaction. H2S is oxidized to S because it has lost hydrogen. Cl2 is reduced to HCl because it has gained hydrogen. Can you solve these examples? PBS is oxidized to PbSO4. Oxidation. Because it has gained oxygen. Gain of oxygen. And H2O2 is reduced to H2O. Reduction. Because it has lost one oxygen. Loss of oxygen. Now, let's see the second reaction. This is a reaction between C and H2O to produce CO and H2. In this reaction, C is oxidized to CO. This is oxidation. Because it has gained oxygen. And H2O is reduced to H2 because it has lost oxygen. Loss of oxygen. Let's see this reaction. This reaction involves oxidation of ethanol to ethanoic acid. C2H5OH is ethanol. and CH3COOH is ethanoic acid. In this reaction, both gain of oxygen and loss of hydrogen are taking place at the same time. This is oxidation reaction. We can count the number of oxygen and hydrogen atoms on both sides of the reaction. Let me write hydrogen atoms, oxygen atoms. On reactant side, there is only one oxygen atom. Let me write one here. While on the product side, it is 2. And for hydrogen on reactant side, there are 6 hydrogen atoms. But on the product side, it is 4. This means that both gain of oxygen, here there is gain of oxygen, and loss of oxygen taking place here. Loss of hydrogen taking place. Therefore, the product is oxidized. Let me write here, oxidized. In summary, the reactions in which both reduction and oxidation reactions are occurring are called redox reactions. Oxidation is either gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Reduction is either gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen. Thanks for watching. Click like and share my videos. Please subscribe my channel.